Hi, hello, welcome to Dusty Shop, where bad decisions are rabid and planning is lacking. So, don't do what we do. Well, you could try it. Have fun with it. You know, do the YouTube stuff. Click like and subscribe. Alright, thanks.
Alright, circus goers, so spring is in the air. Well, for Texas, we've been kind of warm. But anyhow, I have to do my spring stuff on the old blues here. So we're going to change all the fluids and check it all out. I have been riding it, but yeah, it needs an oil change because I haven't changed it yet. So we need to get it up. I have I don't know if you've seen in previous videos, but I have the big lift, but unfortunately, it is, oh man, I know what I did. Yeah, I know what I did here. I forgot. Kickstand still down? Yep. I can't get it under jacks too low. Gotta put a couple boards underneath the back tire, get it up a little higher. Because I may or may not have lowered this thing. Yes, I lowered it a long time ago. I'm not a very tall fella, so made it easier for me to be at ground level with it. Okay. Like I said, I have a bike lift, but we're just doing an oil change. So I'm not gonna get all crazy with the bike lift, digging it out, because I have to dig it out. That's it. I'm not gonna be going crazy with it or nothing. We're just gonna change the oil. Kind of look over everything, check the belt, because Roman, he had a bike shop. Unfortunately, his health is bad, so he had to shut the bike shop down. I don't know if Brian ever watches this stuff, but good, hope you're doing well. Sure do miss you in all kinds of different ways. But with that being said, let's get some Allen wrenches. Let's get that filter off. Let's make a mess. It's just gonna be a mess. This stuff gets all I'm beating y'all up. It's a little dirty. Alright. I don't know if I'm gonna mess with that today or not. I usually clean the bike at the same time, but we may just have to do them in like one of the bike washes. Just might have to do it. Oh man. Okay. Chrome don't get you home, but man, I sure do like it. It's dirty, but it's not bad. So my old buddy Brian used to take care of me on this stuff. I don't know how. Just like I said, he had a shop, so doing this was not a big deal for him. He got at a shop. Looks like I got a front box leaking. Yep. Sure do. I guess I know what I'm going to do doing this one here. I'm doing some box cover gaskets. Looks like it. I actually cut that wire once, and that was just a very terrible day for me. Because guess what? I had a red home on the battery. Yes, I did. So, while we're here, there's the primary. So, that's it. What? No, it's there. There is the primary drain. Oops, almost messed that up. I'm going to take them covers off, and we'll put the fresh air back in there. So let me go get some Torx, and let's get this thing draining. It's in. Not too bad. That's it, I'm just checking on it. Make sure I don't see no nastiness. Don't see nothing out of the ordinary. Just dirty. Dirty. Let that sit a minute and one drain is for the one drain right there for the transmission, and one drain for the engine. One and the other. Ugh. Yeah. We're done, Bill. We're done, Mom. Yep. And then we're gonna check the belt. Cinches. Okay. Let's get back here. Okay, belt looks, you know, it's not too old, so it's not that old. Just a couple seasons, 2 seasons ago, I think we put the belt on it. I do have a problem with this bastard right here leaking. Like a damn thing always comes loose. It's really aggravating at times. Looks like it's maybe doing it again. So, but the belt looks good. I can't see my brake pads though. Those ones look okay. I'm a back breaker, so a front brake shouldn't be too bad. I may end up putting a front wheel on this thing, so if I do, all this shit's gonna get changed anyway. I get rotors and everything else. Front pads look good because I don't really hardly ever use them. Seal bearings and all that look good. She's just dirty. She's just a dirty girl. So yeah, I had to splice some generator wires right here. I'm gonna hose that down. How the fuck is there a leaf in here? What the fuck? Yeah, I had to get my license plate out. I will need that, I forgot. That's how I do these. On here. Get the old grease gun out. Give these zerts some grease. Yeah. Starting to need some grease. Eee. Let's see. Let's see. What's that? I'm not gonna lie. I'm not used to doing it this way. I got spoiled. Ew. Not too bad on the engine. Whoops. I like syrup. Let me go pull a cover off. Get some air going through there. Get the thing draining. Like I said, everything needs. I guess we could start putting new oil in here. Let's do that right quick. Since we're just kind of evening on around, waiting for the motor oil to drain all the way. And that none of them are in the right order. We're just guessing. Really? Oh, that ain't it. That's it. Huh, there it is. So is that? Oh, 27. Huh, wonder why that. Wonder why I'm missing that one. one of them, since he's in here, take a look at the old clutch and primary here. See what we got going on in here. Like I said, this part of doing the old giving her the love. The other day I was riding home. This thing had a different style arm right there, and it broke. I was like, oh man, so I had to put the old stock one back on there and kind of do that. Looks alright, I guess. Just gonna do for now. Let's see what kind of surprise we got in here waiting for us. Okay, set that over there. Let's take a look. See, I do that and I end up losing that and I'm taking the damn carbon primary off again. Yes, I have done that before. I'm gonna call that looking pretty good. So, let's go get I think I just cleaned that funnel. Where's my primary oil? Yeah, and you know what you don't want to do is drop your bolts in the oil. But you know, I did. So, yeah, I did. Let's take a look, see where we at here. The purpose of this was to do this. Alright. Fantastic. Just get it all over the bike. I'll be alright. So my buddy Brian, he used to take good care of me on this. You know, the Eagle Mountain Cycles. So, sure do miss the dude. Good dude. I said, really good dude. I'd be screwing around with this thing and be in a pinch, and he'd always have everything I needed to get me out of my said pinch. Alright, we got one primary. Cover primary oil. That's done. Primary chain looks, you know, looks good. So, no frets, no worries. Should go through another season. Just magnificent. So, I already changed the plug. You know, I mean, that's not real overly, you know, it is fuel injected, so, you know, it's not a massive deal there. Alright. This primary's in good shape. So, good there. Good there. Alright. Yep, looks like it. Yep, looks like it. I know, it has an O-ring on it, but I'm still doing it. Because I do it. That's what I do. Okay, I don't need this thing in my way no more. I'm going to give it the old towel down. Because I'm probably making a mess here. No, I am making a mess here. Alright, we got 3 holes cleared of goodies. Now to tighten them up, This ratchet is backwards to me. I like the ratchet, but it's just backwards. Let's start with engine oil, shall we? Start with some engine oil. Means that the engine oil dealie is off already, so some engine oil. One of these is open already. Talk about mad luck. Look at that. Right one. Okay.
Hello?
Nobody's home.
Do you have
It's a monster.
do you have a minute
In a minute. Why?
to put the hay up?
Put hay up.
I mean, put hay in?
Put hay in where?
I don't know. Can you just like check out and put hay?
What tractor? You don't know how to drive a tractor?
No!
You need to learn.
Are you?
Add explosives to the motorcycle. So they want.
Yes or no?
Whoa, 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 whoa!
So you can or you can't?
Yeah, just give me a minute. Let me finish putting oil on the bike.
Okay.
You can tell them the line.
Like and subscribe to Dusty Stop.
What are we doing? Servicing the Harley.
Searching in the Harley.
Servicing.
Servicing it.
All right, let's start again. 3, ready, go.
Servicing in the Harley. Like and subscribe to Dusty Stop.
Yeah, monsters. 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 Yeah, because there's no way in hell I'm leaving my Harley sitting on this thing for any period of time like that. Hot. Cold. Yeah, I still got to do the oil filter. So it's going to take about a quart. Alright, now to do the transmission. This is the 5/16. Like I said, there was one year I didn't put any. I forgot the transmission fluid. I got distracted, and so we drained it, but we didn't put nothing in it. And this bad boy making funny noises. But I didn't ride it very far, and being it barely had any fluid in it, it did okay. No, it was terrible. It's absolutely terrible. And then this son of a bitch leak. I didn't even take the top off this one. Oh, that's why. Top popped off of it. Bastard keep drop kicking my shit. That one ain't gonna work. It's too big. Too big. That's what I said. I'm gonna put them on. Oh, ain't too bad. That was dirty. It's not. That's why I leave them upside down. Facing this way, that way all this crap stays in. Stays not on my bike. I gotta keep an eye on the transmission because of that leak. This case always ends up leaking on me. Transmission is full. Make sure the kickstand is down. Just going way the f over. It's going to. Okay. I'll leave it right here for a second. All right, circus goers, so there we go. Give her spring checkup, shall we call it. Oils are all full. Then topped everything on. I am going to roll her outside, give her a little bath, because, you know, I did make a mess with oil and everything else. It's kind of normal for me, but I'm not going to put y'all through that kind of stuff, because nobody wants to see nobody clean their own motorcycle. Just me. So, with that being said, that's doing the 3-hole and doing the springtime like health check on the old blues here. And she's ready. She's ready for some riding season. Yeah, we're going to get out, ride a little bit, and enjoy the Texas weather. All right, well, that's it. So thanks for watching, and we will catch you on the next one. All right, thanks.